In this video, I will guide you to download and install Figma as a desktop application on your Windows PC. So let's get into the video now. Open your browser and type Figma in the search bar. You can see this URL figma.com. Just open this link. In the home page, go to the products in navigation bar. And select downloads under Figma menu. Here I am using a Windows PC, so I am choosing the desktop app for Windows. If you are a Mac user, you can choose desktop app for Mac. Yes, now we had successfully downloaded the Figma setup. Click and run the setup. To start using Figma, we actually need a Figma account, so that our design files will be stored in Figma's cloud and we can access it from anywhere using Figma web app on any browser. If you already have a Figma account or Google account, just click continue with Google or create a new account by clicking create one. Yes, now I successfully logged into my Figma account. Now just click the open desktop app. This is the user interface of Figma homepage. Here you can check the various subscription plans of Figma. Currently I am using the starter pack, which is free of cost. The starter pack has certain limitations, but if you are a beginner or individual designer, then this is enough. In the next video, I will share you how to use the Figma tool in an efficient way. Thanks for watching my video. Share this video to your designer friend and subscribe to my channel for more relevant contents.